Understanding, talk things through. A guide to effective communication. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a very useful and important phrase, talk things through. Understanding this phrase not only helps in improving your English but also in enhancing your communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to talk things through. Talk things through is a phrase that means to discuss a problem or a situation thoroughly and openly with someone, with the aim of reaching a better understanding or finding a solution. It emphasizes the importance of communication in resolving issues and highlights the need for both parties to actively participate in the conversation. This phrase is often used in both personal and professional contexts. To better understand how to use talk things through, let's look at some examples. In a relationship, we had some misunderstandings, but we decided to talk things through and resolved our issues. At work, there was confusion about the project deadline, so the team gathered to talk things through and ensure everyone was on the same page. In a friendship, after the argument, they took some time to talk things through and mend their friendship. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations to foster understanding and find solutions. Talking things through is crucial because it builds stronger relationships. Open communication strengthens bonds and trust between individuals. Resolves conflicts. It helps in addressing misunderstandings and finding amicable solutions. Promotes understanding. It ensures that all parties have a clear understanding of each other's perspectives and feelings. Understanding and practicing this concept can significantly improve your interpersonal skills and contribute to more meaningful connections with others. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and meaning of talk things through. Remember, effective communication is key to resolving conflicts and building strong relationships. So next time you find yourself in a challenging situation, try to talk things through. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your English learning journey in our next video.